Hello everyone, welcome to our ABL LMS. Okay, let's start with the new sessions, right? So before I switch to the new sessions, let's do a quick revision. In the last sessions, we have seen about Python programming language and one of the module of Python, that is Turtle. How we can use the Turtle, and we have also seen how we can use Thony ID software, right? So today we'll continue with the Python Turtle and Thony software, right? Okay. Today we are going to design a pattern, geometrical pattern, that is square, right? So before I move to the programming part, first let's tell me something. So I think all of you know the property of a square, right? So there are four sides are there in the square. All four sides are equal, and the value of each angle is 90 degree. And there are total four angles in a square, right? So we are going to use this property to draw a square with the help of Python Turtle module. Let's switch to the software, right? So as I told you in the last class, okay. So whenever you want to whenever you want to perform a new activity, you have to open a new file, and this is the symbol to open a new file, right? So first open a new file. Let's start with the first. We need to import a turtle module. As I told you in the last class, first you need to write down the keyword import and then name of the library. Now here I want to draw a square. It means first we need to draw a line. As I told you in the last class, first you need to write down turtle dot forward to draw a line. In this parenthesis, you need to pass down the length of the side. Let's suppose I want to draw a side of 200 pixels. As I told you, the unit of this is pixels, right? So here I have drawn a side of 200 pixels. Now see, as you can see over here, every time you need to write down turtle dot. Why? Because this forward method belongs to the library turtle. After this, you need to write down turtle dot right, and here you have to pass down the value. So I think all of you know the angle of square is 90 degrees. So here I'll pass 90. Now see, here I use one method, that is right method. It's not mandatory like you want to use the right method. Either you can use left method as well. Let's suppose if I use right, turtle will take a turn of right. If I use left, turtle will take a turn of left, right? It's up to you. Now let's suppose if I run over here, you can see first it will go forward, and then this turtle takes a turn of 90 degree. Now to make a complete square pattern, right? So I think all of you know the answers. You need to repeat these two steps three more times. So first turtle will come forward like this, and then again take a turn, then again forward, then take a turn, again take forward, take a turn. Okay, so in the same manners, let's see how we can do this one. So simple, I'll just copy these two lines, Control C, all of you know the shortcut, and then go to the new line and then use Control plus V forward. Again, I need to repeat the step, Control plus V. One more time, I need to repeat the steps, Control plus V. Right? Okay. Now first, let's see the output. If I click on green button, you can see a complete square is made. Right? So in this way, you can draw square patterns. Now one more thing, you can see over here, after completing this square pattern, this turtle is still visible and it's not looking great, right? So I want to hide this turtle. Let's see how we can do this one. It's very simple. I need to use one more method of Python turtle, that is turtle dot hide turtle. This method will help you to hide the turtle. Let's see the output. If I run here, okay, now you can see there is no turtle here, right? So this is the beauty of this turtle module, right? We have everything inside this module. As per our requirement, we can put the logic and we can see the output. Now let's do some more things. Till now you have seen how we can draw the square patterns with the help of this. Now let's see, if I run this one, you can see a new tab is pop up, right? So basically this is your graphics tab, graphics window. You can see on the top the title is Python Turtle Graphics, right? So you can change the title, you can change the background color of this graphics screen, you can change the height and width of this graphics screen. We'll see in the upcoming classes. First, let's suppose the color of this square is black. Let's suppose if I want to change the color, so this part I'll do in the upcoming sessions, but let's do a quick things. So here I need to write down turtle dot color. So color is a method which you have to use whenever you want to pass the color. Color is a string, right? So you need to inside a single or double inverted comma. Let's suppose I want to select red. If I run here, you can see now the color of this square pattern is red, right? So in this way, you can select the color of the color of the side of the square, right? So this is all about this square pattern. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day.